Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 26th of September 2023. In a muted session of trade, the Indian benchmark indices ended flat on September 26, with the Sensex falling 78.22 points, or 0.12%, to end at 65,945.47 and the Nifty losing 9.80 points, or 0.05%, to close at 19,664.70. Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp, and Nestle India were among the top gainers on the Nifty. The losers included IndusInd Bank, Cipla, and Tech Mahindra. Talking about the corporate segment, we have VARUN Beverages, one of the largest franchisees of PepsiCo globally, hit a 52-week high of 972.90 rupees on September 26, buoyed by high-volume trade and a positive brokerage outlook. Nearly 29 lakh shares exchanged hands against a monthly average of 15 lakh. A buy call for the beverage maker's stock from the Bank of America securities seemed to have contributed to the upward move. Seeing a further upside from the current price levels, the foreign brokerage raised the target price for the share to 1,030 rupees. We expect strong growth and profitability to be sustained by the company despite a volatile macro environment. Over 3 years period, we estimate a compound annual growth rate revenue at 19% and earnings per share at 23%, the foreign brokerage said. RPP Infra Project's share price was locked in a 5% upper circuit of 71.36 rupees to touch its 52-week high in the early trade on September 26 after the company announced receiving orders, worth 482.37 rupees crore. There were pending buy orders for 66,043 shares, with no sellers available. The company got an order from Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited for road and drain works, one of CPCL at Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu at a contract price of 300.44 rupees crore. The order has to be executed in 12 months. Shares of DIXON Technologies rallied 4.5% high on September 26 buoyed by high volume trade and a positive brokerage outlook. At the bourses, nearly 9 lakh shares of the company exchanged hands against a monthly average of 4 lakh shares. A buy call on the consumer durable goods maker's stock from DAM Capital seemed to have contributed to the upward move. Seeing a further upside potential from the current price levels, the brokerage has set the target price at 6,000 rupees per share. Shares of VOLTAMP Transformers opened around 5% lower on September 26, after a block deal worth 603 rupees crore took place on the bourses. Around 13 lakh shares or 12.9% equity changed hands in a block deal at an average price of 4,650 rupees per share, which represents a near 6% discount from the stock's Monday closing price of 4,928.50 rupees. The deal was expected to be executed at around 4,600 rupees apiece, likely to earn the promoters around 550 rupees crore. Shares NUVAMA Wealth Management down 5% to hit a 52-week low on September 26. The demerger of the wealth management business was completed following the approval from the National Company Law Tribunal on April 27. The scheme of arrangement came into effect on May 18, 2023. Shreyas Shipping Limited in daily time frame is trading around 421.40 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 604.487 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 376.35, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.20. Williamson Magga and Company Limited in daily time frame is trading around 31.55 points with a change of 19.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 793.471 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 24, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.49. Mohit Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 17.60 points with a change of 19.73% and is trading with a net volume of around 918.652 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 15.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.24. For stocks to watch, we have Jubilant FoodWorks looks good on current market price of 545.8. It can be bought at 546 rupees, keeping target of 560 rupees with stop loss of 535. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.